look who's up on the windowsill. Well, he's on the blind, and it's Skeeter. Very neatly, without disturbing any of the bottles, and he's busy making himself beautiful. I come home and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. So, I'm missing one. Who am I missing? That's Skeeter, Babylon, Arky down behind, yellowtail there, that's Dizzy, Patchouli, and little Skittles. So that means I'm missing Random. Okay, these are some of the places where she's been. Bit of poo everywhere. Look what I found underneath my stairs when I got home. Yeah, I could see various places where she'd been, like from the poo trail, but it's just taken me 20 minutes to find her. It's Random, of course. Who else would it be? Well, actually, it probably usually would be Dizzy, but it's not. It's Random.